How to start a 2-cycle traditional pull start backpack blower. In this video, we will review detailed instructions on how to start your 2-cycle traditional pull start product. If you have a product with this starting, your product carburetor will look similar to this. Before starting your product, refer to the manual for instructions on fueling your unit. Be sure to wear proper protective equipment outlined in your manual, including safety glasses, and make sure bystanders and pets are 50 feet from you. The first step is always to use fresh gasoline and make sure to mix it to the correct oil ratio for that product. Even better and easier is to use premixed fuel, which you can purchase at any outdoor power equipment retailer. Once the product is fueled, place the unit on a flat surface. Prime your product by fully pressing the primer bulb 10 to 20 times until the bulb is almost full with fuel. Move the choke lever to position 1. And press down in the cruise control located on the handheld control joystick. This is mounted on the blower tube. Engaging the cruise control during the starting process allows you to free your hands to pull the cord or steady the blower. With cruise control fully engaged, pull the starting rope a maximum of 5 times. If engine starts or attempts to start, stop pulling rope. Now move the choke lever to position 2 while keeping the cruise control in the down position. Pull the starting rope 5 to 10 times to start the engine. Use long strokes, pulling the cord until it's fully extended. Pulling the cord quickly is not necessary. Once the engine starts, continue to squeeze the throttle to warm up the engine. Allow the engine to warm up for 30 to 60 seconds. Once the engine is warmed up, raise the cruise control and squeeze the throttle as needed. The product is ready to be used at this time. If the engine fails to start, begin the starting process again and move lever back to position 1. It's important to keep the cruise control pushed down on all starting attempts. This reduces the chances of flooding the engine. If the unit fails to start and you're concerned about a flooded engine, let the unit rest 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, start at position 2 and pull the rope until the unit starts. Remember to always depress the throttle or cruise control fully for all starting steps. If the unit still fails to start, verify that clean, new fuel is being used. Fuels that contain ethanol should be used within a month of purchase. Remember that oil must be added to gasoline in the proper ratio. If your blower has worked in the past but seems harder to start now, the most common issues are clean and fresh fuel, dirty air filter, or an aging spark plug that needs to be replaced. Please refer to your manual for additional troubleshooting tips or contact our customer service department. Now, you're ready to beautify your backyard.